Welcome back, dear student. Now we continue our story. One of the woodsmen said, I don't need anything special from my tree, so I will take this one. And he cut it down. When the first tree arrived at the carpenter's, he was made into a feed box for animal. He was then placed in a barn and filled with hay. This was not at all what he had prayed for. The second tree was cut and made into a small fishing boat. His dream of being of mighty ship and carrying ministers had come to an end. The third tree was cut into three pieces and left alone in the dark. So, dear student, you understand and what they made and what they have dreamed. So now we will see. Years went by and the trees forget about their dreams. Then one day a man and a woman came to a barn. The woman gave birth and they placed the baby in the hay in a feed box that was made from the first tree. The man wished that he could have made a crib for the baby, but this manager would have to do. The trees could feel the importance of his event and knew that it had held the greatest treasure of all time. Years later, a group of men got in the fishing boat made from the second tree. One of them was tried and went to sheep. While they were out on the water, a great storm arose, and the tree did not think it was strong enough to keep the man safe. The man woke and sleeping man, and he stood and said, Peace, and the storm stopped. At this time, the tree knew that it has carried the King of Kings in its boat. Finally, someone came and got the third tree. It was carried through the streets as the people mocked the man who was carrying it. When they came to a stop, the man was nailed to the tree and raised in the tree to die at the top of the hill. When Sunday came, the tree came to realize that it was strong enough to stand at the top of the hill and be as close to God as was possible because Jesus had been crucified on it. Each of the trees got what they wanted, just not in the way they had imagined. We don't always know what God's plan are for us. We just know that His ways are not our ways, but His ways are always best. So, end of the story. You understand, children, that the three trees, those who dreamed about that, they feel fulfilled, but not their ways. They fulfilled according to God. So, moral of the story is when things don't seem to be going your ways, always know that God has a plan for you. If you place your trust in Him, He will give you great gifts. So don't be scared and don't be irritated and don't lose your heart when your wish is not fulfilled because God has something better for you. Now end of the story. Dear student, we have a back exercise. You do your back exercise. I am also sending one worksheet for you and solve this worksheet in your mole value notebook. Thank you and have a great day.